everyone, this is Daisy. Today I'll give a very general overview of sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is very useful everywhere. I work as a data scientist in an e-commerce company. One of the projects I did is to analyze media news to get the public sentiment over different e-commerce companies. The other projects I did is to analyze product reviews. The statistics from product reviews of people's sentiment and polarity over price, product qualities, and delivery is very helpful to give the sellers some insights of how to improve their service. There are different levels of sentiment analysis. Document level sentiment analysis assumes that the whole document is talking about a single sentiment. The sentence level, as the name suggests, try to detect the sentiment polarity of a single sentence. Aspect level sentiment analysis has the greatest granularity. It considers the case where even in the same sentence, people have different feelings for different aspects. In this sentence, for example, it's a very typical product review. These people is happy with the product quality but not happy with the service provided by the seller. In this video, I'll talk about both unsupervised and supervised ways, as well as 3 levels of sentiment analysis. The unsupervised sentiment analysis is a lexicon-based method. We assign a score to different words in the sentence. The score is usually range from -1 to 1, with -1 indicates very negative and 1 indicates very positive. In this sentence, for example, the red words are the positive words and green words are the negative words. The gray words here are those that are treated as neutral. By taking an average of all the scores of all the words in the sentence, we get an overall score for the whole sentence. This score indicates the polarity of this sentence. Sometimes this method is too simple to perform good. One of the most important tasks to make it better is to deal with negation words. For example, in one review, when people said, "I don't really enjoy this purchase," what does he mean? Is he happy or not? There are a lot of sentiment dictionaries freely available online, and there's a lot of works in the literature studying the construction of sentiment dictionary manually or semi-manually. For supervised method, we study document and sentence level sentiment analysis first. Similar to every NLP task, we need to represent the text with bag of words, compactorizer, TF-IDF, or pre-treat embeddings. The labels here are the sentiment. We can use normal machine learning methods like random forest, SVM, or naive Bayes, or we can use deep learning methods like CNN, LSTM, or attention-based networks. Aspect level sentiment analysis have different kinds. The first kind is aspect-based sentiment analysis. It tries to do sentiment analysis with regard to different aspects. The second kind is targeted sentiment analysis. It tries to do sentiment analysis for different targets in the sentence, which is the entity in the sentence. The third kind of aspect level sentiment analysis is targeted aspect-based sentiment analysis. It's a combination of the previous 2 types. In this sentence, for example, the targets here are location 1 and location 2, and the aspects here are price, safety, and transit. Targeted aspect-based sentiment analysis tries to get a sentiment for each target and aspect pair. In my next video, I'll talk about a 2018 paper which studies the aspect level sentiment analysis with gated convolutional network. I attached the slides for this video here and attached some of the good papers in sentiment analysis. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please help me like it. Hope to see you next time. Bye!